Welcome to AnswerHub. AnswerHub is a new way for you to automate your customers' questions 24 hours a day using a branded self-service portal that you control. The best part is you can make multiple answer hubs. You can create one for your sales team, you can create different hubs for different products, you can create one for your channel partners, or you can do what I did and create one for the security and compliance folks who annoy you with questions all day, right? So let's show you how to set this up in 60 seconds. It's super simple. Go to OneUp and click AnswerHub. You're going to be asked to connect some knowledge sources. In this case, I'm going to use my approved answer library. If you're new to OneUp and you don't have an approved answer library, that's fine. Choose a couple of URLs, websites, or files to use from your knowledge base, and then you're going to be asked to set up the branding. Branding's entirely up to you. You can upload your logo, you can customize the background. I'm not going to do any of that here. I'm just going to switch over to my existing answer hub and show you how to set up the sections. So you're going to notice that I've got a few sections here. I've got certifications, resources, gated secure documents, and I've got the main thing, which is the Q&A. If you click edit, you'll see that you can actually tell OneUp which of these sections you want to enable and disable. So in this case, I've got my certs section enabled. I've got publicly downloadable resources where people can download things like, sales assets, marketing assets, maybe some of my compliance docs. And then you can also set up a gated section where if you have sensitive materials like MSAs, pen test reports, anything that you want to give access to, you can do that too. So once you've set up your answer hub and plugged in the sections, click the publish button, hit share, and you can actually see what your answer hub looks like on the front end before you share it with a customer. So it's really cool. You can interact with the Q&A. I'm going to hit the Q&A and I'm going to ask a product question like, how do you handle user roles and RBAC? This is a typical question that someone might ask one of our sales reps. They don't need to go digging through documentation. They can ask OneUp directly. The reason I'm confident in this answer is that it's coming from my website. It's coming from my known materials. It's even giving a link to the user management guide where you can learn more. This is awesome because at this point, I don't need to worry about my customers getting answers to questions or slowing down deals. They can ask anything they want to know. And you know the best part, bro? Watch this. My sales reps are sitting here looking at the Q&A history and they know exactly what OneUp is being asked. So when it comes time for them to get involved with the customer, they know if the customer is qualified. The customer can even loop in my rep at a specific point. And if OneUp doesn't know the answer, it automatically triggers and informs the rep that they need to get involved. So this is what we mean by a 24/7 answer engine. If you want to set this up, sign up for OneUp if you're not already a user. Hit that free trial button. It's free and you will be up and running in minutes.